So we're going to keep making our website look a little bit better. For instance, I don't like the way the text is centered here, even though I changed it earlier, while you guys weren't watching, of course. And so we're going to use specificity again to specify the paragraph content in main content, and go ahead and do a text align left. And what this is going to do is it's going to justify it to the left, which it does, but now there's no space between it and the picture. So let's go ahead and go to our image and do a padding, I don't know, 20 pixels all around it, and see if that makes it look a little bit better. And that's better. As you can see, there's now space here. And I guess the next thing we could do is we could go ahead and go to footer and give it a height of 30 pixels and a width of 100%, and then give it a background color, that of our navigation, which should look a little bit more uniform. Save that, and now it does, except let's add some padding. But let's add padding to the P in footer. So let's go footer, paragraph, padding 20 pixels, and let's see if that helps. No, it does not. Well, so let's go ahead and undo what we did actually, because I made a mistake. Let's undo that padding and save it and see exactly what we're going to do. In HTML and CSS, you're going to go through a lot of trial and error, so get used to it now while you can. Feel free to tinker with anything I do, because I'm doing this on my own so that I can try to walk you through it as I think of the things. So let's just go back to our footer P and add a padding of 10 pixels all around it. And that looks a little bit better. And let's not get a set height for our footer. There you go. Now it looks decent enough. So we're going to learn a new thing in CSS in this episode. Let's go back up to our navigation, list item A, and let's make a new styling attribute for hover. So after A, type in a colon and type in hover. And what this is saying is when the mouse hovers over it, style it this way. So I'm going to say color number F or sharp or pound FFF, which is white. And then I'll go ahead and remove the decoration already on it. So let's go back up to A and type in text decoration none. Go back down to hover and type in text decoration underline. Save that. And then now every time you hover, it's going to be white with an underline. Isn't that neat? I wonder if you guys can think of anything you can do with that. That seems interesting. Anyway, if you want to style each individual link, you can even give it a different background color. So let's try ahead and go and do that. Let's give it a background color of, what goes with green? Blue. I guess we can just go with green or turquoise. And then let's type in the color. And then if we save that, each list item should now have a background color of green depending on the padding you set up for it. So I guess that's a little bit cool. You can experiment with colors there. And I guess we're almost done, guys. Other than this, you can, I guess, add a little bit more padding to the top of your website so that it doesn't seem too bad. Let's go ahead and add a padding top of 20 pixels. And let's make that 60 pixels. Alright guys, save it, close it, and stare at it for a while because you just made your first website with links.